PeakLife360 offers an FDA-approved pulse oximeter that is high quality and very easy to use. This product is designed to measure and monitor your blood oxygen saturation level and pulse rate. These measurements indicate how well your heart is pumping oxygen through your body. To use the oximeter, all you need to do is place your index finger inside the device, and in just a few seconds, your oxygen saturation level and pulse rate will be displayed on the screen. It is important to note that fingernail polish and artificial nails may interfere with the device sensor. PeakLife360 offers a variety of products that will help you take charge of your health. Visit us at PeakLife360.com to see all of the great products that we offer.